Alright, everyone, it's Tommy and this is my new toy. This is my new pocket bike. I rode one and man, this thing flies. Got tubeless tires. I bought it off my mate for 25 bucks. He didn't want it anymore. Yeah, and it's just perfect. We just cleaned out the carby a bit, and the exhaust was clogging it, and like it didn't start. So we put this other exhaust on, which is modified. That's the exhaust. I'm gonna modify it. It's got a red tip. It's got the 49cc engine, and he bought a fuel cleaner. Not fuel cleaner. Yeah, whatever. Air filter. I might buy a better one. And the tank is pretty good. It's like the size of all this. It's nice. And I had a GoPro video, and yeah. Actually, I might start it up now and just do a little video. So yeah.